Hey, my students, I thought, well, they're probably out of bed by now. Now, this video is optional. It's a very quick review of radicals. Very quick. Because I got to think, I think most of you are doing pretty good. So, here we go. Optional. Anyways, you might want to write these down, do them, and then turn it back on, or, well, do whatever you want. So, square root of 16, that's 4. You're undoing the square. So what do you multiply by itself to get 16? But it has to be positive. If we want the negative answer, we'll put the little negative out front. So square root of negative 25. Well, now we know. Oh, what are we supposed to do? Pop your eye out. Oh, my goodness. Forgot to do that on the test, and square root of 25 is 5. Now, fraction. Bottom is the index, so that means square root of 49 is 7. Cube root, what do you multiply by itself 3 times? So you, well, actually you multiply twice, but there's 3 items. 2 times 2 is once, and then 1 more. So 2, there's 3 2's. Now this one, you got to break it up into 2 parts. The nice part, the perfect square. Let me bring it up. There we go. And then the leftover stuff. So square root of 25 is 5. Divide the power by the index, so it'd be x to the 8, square root of 2x. Now this one, this is the easy one. Let's do this. Doink. Let's make it harder. So we break it up, cube root of 8 and cube root of x cubed, and then you got the cube root of 2x. Now, when I was in high school, this is a mistake. I always forgot the index. You gotta keep the index. Or wrong. So this one, 12 isn't divisible by 5. So I'm going to break it up into the 5th root of x to the 10th and the 5th root of x squared. So this would be 2x squared. This would be x squared, and this would just be 5th root of x squared. Now this, you got to rewrite it. Simplify it because you got to have the same radicand and the same index. So I'm going to break this up 4 and 2. Break this up into hard and 2. So this would be 2 square root of 2 plus 10 square root of 2, which would be 12 square root of 2. Now this one, you don't have to do this step, but I always like to simplify this. So this would be square root of 9, square root of 2. So this would be 1 over, let me get rid of this, I messed up. Square root of 9, square root of 2. So this is 1 over 3 square root of 2. So all we need to multiply by is square root of 2. So we get square root of 2 over 3 times square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so it'd be 6. Now, what if I had 1 over the cube root of 4? Well, you need 3 of the same thing. So I got 2, so I'd multiply by 1 more. Cube root of 2. So you'd have 1 over the cube root of 8. I know I'm doing this fast. And I forgot. So it'd be cube root of 2 over 2. Now this one, let's see, multiply, same index, so you can just combine it. And then what square root would be? 4 and 3. So it'd be 2 square root of 3. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? So this you distribute to both terms. So it'd be square root of 4. So this would be 4 and 5. You need the perfect square. You can't take the not perfect square, so it'd be 2 square root of 5 plus 2. This one, oh, so many of you forgot this on the test. When you have a square on a sum or difference, you gotta write it twice and furl. Write it twice and furl. So it'd be 4, FOIL it out, plus 2 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 5. And then square root of 5 is just 5 square root of 25. So it'd be 9 plus 4 square root of 5. Hey there. This one. It's just like multiplying by the conjugate. You switch the sign in front of the second term. Yay. So it'd be 50 plus 5. Oh, I messed up. I read that wrong. Sorry. It's 50 minus 5 square root of 5 over 100 minus 10 square root of 5 plus 10 square root of 5. I have really messed up. I'm going home. Oh, wait a minute. I'm already here. I thought I switched the sign, so you're going to have to forgive me. Murphy's old. This should be 10 plus square root of 5. You need the opposite sign. I said that, but I didn't do it. We'll blame Trixie. I'm sorry, Trixie. Please forgive me. So it's 50 plus square root of 5. I got to slow down. 50 plus 5 square root of 5. Distribute the 5. And then this is 100 minus 10 square root of 5 plus 10 square root of 5 is 0. So this would be minus 5. So it's 50 plus 5 square root of 5 over 95. So we divide everything by 5, so it's 10 plus square root of 5. Yes. Now I'm getting paranoid over 19. Gee whiz, I don't ever want to do that problem again. Now this one, I just threw on 2 solvings. But this one you can't do. No solution. A square root can never equal a negative. Now this one, you square both sides. So x squared plus 15x equals 16. Oh, wait. Let's get everything on one side and factor if possible. And it is factorable. So it'd be x plus 16, x minus 1. So x equals negative 16, x equals 1. So plug her back in. 1 plus 15 is 16 squared. 16, yes. Negative 16 squared minus 15 times 16 would be 16. That's right. Woohoo! So fast little review from me to you. And since you've been so good and since I messed up that problem so bad, there we go. Come on, Trixie. Woohoo. Look. She's radioactive. Ah, look at her eye. Boo. Boo. Oh, that is weird. I will see you, and I'll be making a couple more videos in an hour. Bye-bye.